In the heart of the bustling city of Newcrest, nestled amidst its tall skyscrapers and lively streets, lived a writer named Emma. She had a penchant for the vintage, and among her prized possessions was a mysterious typewriter, an exquisite relic she had stumbled upon in an old antique store. Late one stormy night, as raindrops danced on the window panes, Emma sat at her desk, fingers tapping the typewriter's keys absent-mindedly. To her astonishment, the typewriter seemed to take on a life of its own, as if it were a sentient being responding to her thoughts. The words flowed effortlessly as she typed, forming a story she hadn't consciously crafted. To her bewilderment, the narrative was about her life, upcoming events, conversations, and even encounters with strangers she had yet to meet. Curiosity mingled with trepidation, but Emma couldn't resist the temptation to continue. The typewriter became a gateway to the future, predicting events with uncanny accuracy. However, with each story she penned, a chilling sense of foreboding crept into her heart. She discovered that the typewriter's predictions were only sometimes pleasant. Some tales of danger lurking in the shadows, encounters with eerie figures, and harrowing experiences sent shivers down her spine. Emma became entangled in a labyrinth of fate and free will, unsure whether the typewriter revealed or manipulated her destiny. The lines between reality and fiction blurred, and she struggled to discern where her choices ended and the typewriter's narrative began. As Emma typed away one day, the story took an alarming turn, a tale of her impending encounter with a mysterious figure called the Inkwell Man. The typewriter warned of a dangerous confrontation that could lead to her demise. Filled with dread, Emma sought solace in her best friend, Jonah. He was skeptical of the typewriter's powers, dismissing it as mere coincidence. But he began to worry when he witnessed Emma's ability to predict events accurately. As Emma's connection with the typewriter deepened, so did the haunting presence of the Inkwell Man. He seemed to materialize from the shadows, a dark figure cloaked in ink-black attire, his eyes gleaming with an otherworldly light. Terrified yet resolute, Emma delved deeper into the typewriter's cryptic messages, determined to uncover the truth behind her eerie encounters. But as she searched for answers, the city of Newcrest revealed its dark secrets. Emma's writing led her to a forgotten conspiracy, an enigmatic organization that sought to control fate. The typewriter's predictions became warnings of impending danger, as the Inkwell Man and his cohorts sought to suppress anyone who dared to wield the power of foresight. In a spine-chilling climax, Emma confronted the Inkwell Man, who revealed the truth. The typewriter was a powerful artifact, and she was chosen as its bearer. The typewriter didn't merely predict the future, it was a conduit for shaping reality. Faced with a choice that could alter the course of time, Emma grappled with the consequences of possessing such immense power. Would she surrender to the Inkwell Man's hateful agenda, or would she embrace her role as the guardian of the typewriter? In the final act of her chilling tale, Emma finds the strength to break free from the Inkwell Man's influence. She used the typewriter to rewrite her destiny, crafting her narrative and ensuring that the power it held would never fall into the wrong hands. Emma emerged from the shadows as the stormy night cleared, a beacon of hope for Newcrest. The city's secrets were exposed, and the mysterious typewriter found its rightful place in the annals of history. The phantom typewriter's enigmatic influence remained, its legacy etched into the hearts of those who dared to glimpse into the future. Emma's journey taught her that true power lay not in knowing what lies ahead, but in the choices one makes and the courage to shape their destiny. And so, in the heart of Newcrest, the phantom typewriter's story echoed a testament to the delicate balance between fate and free will, forever guiding those who dared to seek its cryptic guidance.